Is your air conditioner struggling after months of winter downtime? Novak Heating, Air, and Duct Cleaning knows Cedar Rapids homeowners often discover cooling issues as soon as temperatures rise and the AC gets switched back on. Several problems can develop while your system sits idle. Clogged air filters, low refrigerant, blocked condenser units, and thermostat issues are all common culprits. Sometimes your air conditioner may blow warm air, run longer cycles, or not turn on at all. Even dirty or leaky ductwork can mean some rooms stay warm, while others cool down. Skipping regular maintenance after winter can also lead to unexpected breakdowns, higher energy bills, and reduced comfort. Some quick fixes include replacing dirty filters, checking thermostat batteries and settings, and clearing debris from the outdoor condenser unit. However, if your system still struggles, it is time to call Novak's NATE certified technicians for a professional tune-up, refrigerant check, or ductwork inspection. Addressing minor issues early helps prevent expensive repairs later. Stay cool and comfortable all season. Call Novak Heating, Air, and Duct Cleaning at 319-364-4626 today to schedule your AC service and keep your system running its best.